No, it's not open. Come on, Zeus. Fire another lightning in the sky that I could see. Come on, man. I want to see another one. This stuff is just freaking cool. Like, right in front of me. Right there. In the distance. Right there. Come on. Do it. Oh. Dang, the Zeus, listen. Another one. Don't by that tree. The big one. Come on. Got the Zeus. The God of Thunder. Come on. Come on, buddy. Give me another lightning. Make it loud, boom. Come on, Zeus, make it loud, boom. Make it scare somebody. Maybe you can't scare me. Ooh. That's another one. Yo! Yeah, Zeus definitely did listen to that one that time, right by the tree. Can you make it strike the ground? Not in front of me, somewhere in the distance. Nowhere near me. I just want to hear it, see the lightning strike the ground. But not in front of me. I'm seeing it everywhere. Yeah, Zeus is pissed off. Look at that, another one. I'm catching so many. Do another one. Right, so the camera could see it. A very good one. One where I could see it. Look, I need one that's a bit bigger, more visible. That one probably wasn't that good enough. Come on, Zeus. I know you can listen to me. Oh, that's good. That's perfect. Yo, this is the best lightning. This is the best thunderstorm I've ever seen. Like seeing those freaking stuff is just epic. I always wanted to see this, and now this stuff just finally came true. Thank you, Zeus, for this very wonderful experience. I could see the lightning in the sky. One final one big one. Come on, one big one. Very super big. Just one final one. The big finale. Come on, Zeus, I know you can do that. Do the big finale lightning. Come on, man. You got the Zeus. You're the god of lightning or the god of thunder. I guess god of both. God of lightning and thunder. God of all gods. Oh no! Yeah, if we angered, I think I might have just angered Zeus. Hen, hey, come here.